The Harvey Community Center opened its doors to the public, inviting families, neighbors, and local leaders to see firsthand the impact it's making in the community.
The Harvey Community Center is just what it says, a community center. It's for all residents within the South End community and all over the city to be able to participate in some of the activities that we have located here at the center.
And now with a new vision and new purpose, the community center here is just striving to grow from that aspect of community service, fellowship, unity. We're all in this together.
It was newly renovated. That changed. It changed the mindsets and the hearts of the community. Now that there are places that they can go and enjoy and find different opportunities and gifts and things that suit them.
Right now, we're offering some different programs such as women's groups, men's groups. We also have some exercising in our theater in our after-school program. Right now, what it means for me is that just offering more things to bring the community together.
I'm one of the narrators for Women Let's Talk. Our group comes together and it's women. Everyone's invited that is a woman and has an opinion or want to hear the opinions of others. We have subjects that we talk about that affect a woman's life and how we respond to that and how we are in everyday life as women. We're women empowering women, women lifting up women, and women exalting women. We're not there to tear down anyone, but we're there to be united and to learn how to stand as a woman in our position in family, society, wherever we are. We are women empowering women.
Right now we have our free acting classes, dance classes for children. We have a line dance class. We also have a women's Let's Talk group. We have a marriage group. We have Phoenix Fitness inside. And we also have our library system that brings the bookmobile out.
We think that there's a great opportunity here to expand access to information to the community here. We do hundreds of programs every month across our county, and we would like to bring some of those programs here to the Harvey Center. But we're very excited to be able to expand into this part of the community. I think that, having this access to information creates a smarter, stronger, more cohesive community, and we are always more powerful when we are working together.
Everything that I've seen done in this center was done with purpose, not just on a whim. We spoke to the community, found out what they needed, and then met that need.
You can go on the website or you can come to the building and you can look at the opportunities and things that are available to participate in if we go to the Harvey Center website.
So whether it's providing resources, building connections, or simply giving people a place to belong, the Harvey Re-Investment Center is helping shape a better Port Huron, one person at a time. For Thumb Coast TV, I'm Trayvon Thompson.